Alkaline food is required. When will be the alkaline? Whatever you prepare, maximum food to be known as a alkaline food. But after 3 hours, after 6 hours, maximum you keep it as a 6 hours, that will convert in the form of the acidic food. You prepared alkaline food, but you are eating as a acidic food. But that's not advisable. Says that अभी गैस जर्रा खाता हूँ डॉक्टर साहब पेट भर जाता, इतना बड़ा मोटा हो जाता, भूख कुछ नहीं लगती, गैस के गोलियां खाओ फिर खाना खाओ. नो देते हैं ना हुसैन साहब, गैस की गोली देते हैं ना आप सबको, प्रोटॉन पंप इनहिबिटर. ये खा को खाना खाओ, ये खा लियो, भूख नहीं लग रही, ये खा लियो फिर खाना खाओ. One secret shall I tell you? Say all of you yes. Tell me loudly.
Yes, sir.
So I have forgotten to tell you one secret. I'll tell you later. What secret is required? People says, especially the patients around 50, above 50 years or 40 years. Today 40 years, the people suffering for the DM, diabetes mellitus. They says that doctor asked me to take 4 times medicines, or some of the doctors 3 times medicine to be taken. So today afternoon I visited to the one program, one convocation or convention, where I had the opportunity to have in the function the full of the stomach, right? How much? गले तक खा लिया है, ठीक है, इतना delicious. No, even we like to prone to get eat, which is a good. I wanted to taste it everything. Then at the night, he took the pills after that. Then night he wanted to take the pill, right? In says in the guligai, edakana, right? This says that in the night, of course he had till morning, may not require the food. That much he had a small quantity, right? Then later he wanted to take the pill, again he have to eat the food. He don't feel it that I may not required, I wanted to take, but doctor said I wanted to eat after food, only advisable to take the medicine. But whatever you had 3 times food at one time. Already it is accumulated in your stomach. It's not descending to the small intestine and then large intestine. The grinding is taking place is very slowly because such load has given to your stomach. Full load. One vehicle is how much? 10 ton. So he put it 15 ton on the lorry. Right? So maximum capacity of the stomach is how many liters or how many kgs? Good. Maximum like me, 2 kgs, 3 kgs, 4 kgs or 1 kg or 500 gram. You keep it as a 1.5 for me, and Asha madam is around 3 kgs. Okay. So she wanted to eat as a 2 kgs. Okay. 2 kgs she filled already. That can be equivalent to till morning, may not required. Again for the pills purpose you eat again, you will give the burden to the stomach. Again you are eating the same thing. So that will be causing the miserable to your life and also your abdomen. So get the supplication of abdomen. आप दुआ लीजिए, क्या दुआ? पेट से. आप दुआ लीजिए अपने दिमाग से. Yes or no? तो इतना burden हम कर देते हैं कभी कभी. So that certainly leads to the illness. Patient says, डॉक्टर साहब क्या तो भी करो मुझे कम कर डालो. अरे बुद्धू, वो करने वाला, हम क्या करते हैं. लेकिन he says that कुछ भी करो, please do something for me. Whatever, I'll tell you one more secret. Is it required? Yes, please tell me, otherwise this I cannot hear this. Yes. Patient says is, you need to treat, but I'm telling you here is 50% of the illness can be treatable by the practitioner through him. Then the 50% of the illness can be treatable by the patient itself. पूरा खाता सो ही नहीं, पीता सो ही नहीं, गलती करता सो ही नहीं, सर पर बोझ डालता सो हम, कितना बर्डन लेंगे हम लोग. हाँ, एक घर में बीमार पड़ गया तो पूरी फैमिली प्रॉब्लम. Then how we can take up everything around? We see number of the patient, how take it on our head? We have two limitations, right? So what I mean to say, please you just change yourself. You are getting the problem. Try to analyze and understand what etiology is causing the problem to you. We need to, body will give the answer to for me, for you, for everyone in this universe. The person who is suffering, you ask the behind that, what could be the reason to originate this problem? Then the patient itself knows that this is the reason to cause this problem. However, it is the karma is different. Of course, that is there, need to suffer. We cannot change it. But still, try to find out the etiology and pathogenesis. That's very imperative.